Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to align text. So for example, I will create a paragraph and set the names into lines to center. So you can save and then you can open into browser. So the text align to left. So to make it center, you can create style. Okay, can type style and then use the align text align set into the center point. So you can save and then refresh. The text will be aligned to center. So I will create again in it for the paragraph or with H1. Okay, align to right. So you can create new style. Text align set to right. Click file, save, and you can refresh. To be create the text aligns to right with H1. Or you also can create by using divisions. Okay, you can type div align to left for the text. And then we create new style. Style, text align, and set to left. Okay, click file, save, and then you can refresh again. Create text align to left. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to align text.